Most people think Steam gift card scams only happen to careless users. That is completely wrong. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming you are too smart to be targeted. In 2026, these scams have become more convincing, faster, and harder to detect. Here's the truth no one tells you. Steam gift card scams don't hack your account. They trick you into giving away the code yourself. In this video, you'll learn how these scams actually work, the most common warning signs, and how to protect your Steam money before it disappears. Let's start with the most common scam. A stranger contacts you on Discord, Instagram, or even Steam chat. They might pretend to be a gamer, a trader, or even a Steam support helper. They build trust quickly. For example, someone named Jake might say he has a limited time offer, or a trade deal that looks too good to miss. Now, here's where it gets dangerous. They ask you to buy a Steam gift card and send them the code. They promise double rewards, free skins, or account upgrades. But once you send that code, the money is gone instantly. There is no refund, no recovery, and no support that can reverse it. But here's the problem. Most people only realize it after it's too late. Now let's talk about a second scam method. Fake websites. You might see a site offering free Steam gift card generators or discount codes. These websites often ask you to enter your Steam login or personal information. Once you do, scammers can gain access to your account or trick you into entering real gift card codes. Now here's where it gets interesting. These scams don't rely on technical hacking. They rely on urgency and emotion. They want you to act fast, without thinking. That is the entire strategy. Let's take a real example. Alex sees a message saying he won a free Steam gift card. The message says he just needs to verify by sending a small code. He gets excited and responds quickly. But the moment he shares the code, his balance is gone. So how do you protect yourself? First, remember this rule. Steam will never ask you to send gift card codes to anyone. Not support, not admins, not moderators. If someone asks for a code, it is a scam. Second, never trust. Free gift card offers outside official Steam promotions. If it sounds too good to be true, it always is. Third, always double-check URLs and avoid logging into Steam through unknown links. The key takeaway is simple. Steam gift cards are as good as cash. Once someone gets the code, it cannot be reversed. That is why scammers target them so heavily. To stay safe, slow down, verify everything, and never share your code with anyone. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more real-world scam protection guides that keep your accounts safe.